children, welcome back to our part 2 video of today's assignment. As you all know that we are doing chapter number 7, that is our clothes. So I hope you all have watched my part 1 video in which I have explained you activity number 1 which we have done today. Okay, now in this part 2 video we are going to do activity number 2. But before starting activity number 2, children, again I want to give you some instructions that I hope you all have completed your work till chapter number 7 which I gave you yesterday. Those who have not completed, children, make sure you have to complete all your work before time only, okay, so that it will be easy for you all to learn also, and it will not create any kind of burden upon you. Okay, and one more information that I gave you in part 1 also video also, that this information is for new admission students. I know that you must not be having all the assignments from April to May, so please, it's my request, go to school and get all your assignments of each and every subject from school. You can get it, okay, and then you can do it day by day. Okay, so I hope you all have understood what I am giving, what all instructions I am giving you. Now back to our part 2 video in which we are doing activity 2. So before starting this activity, children, I want to repeat activity 1 in which I have given you guess who am I, that were riddles. So in this I hope you all have understood it very clearly. It is very interesting and it is very fun. It is a very fun loving activity which I have given you. So I hope you all have done it in your notebooks. Again I am telling you, I am showing you this activity 1. Those who have not watched my part 1 video, you can see from here that how you have to write all the things and how you have to write the answers of activity 1. Is that clear? Now moving towards our activity 2, in which I have given you match the following. Now match the following is in another way. This match the following exercise is in another way. Okay, so let's get started. Are you all ready for your exciting activity? Now here I have written that help Ria to decide what to wear and when. Now Ria is a girl who is confused what to wear and when to wear. Okay, so here are some clues given, okay, and here are the answers given. So in the first column there are clues that where she is going, okay, if she is going out on a sunny day, or if she is going in out in rain, going to school. Okay, so like this there are some sentences given here in the first column. And in the second column, from the first column sentences, there are some related answers given in the second column. Okay, first column के जो sentences हैं उसी से related answers आपको column B में दिए हैं, but they are all jumbled. So you have to help this girl to decide what she can wear and when. Okay, जब उसको कहीं जाना है, कहाँ जाना है, क्या पहन के जाना है, ये हमें मैच करके बताना है. Is that clear? So interesting. Let's get started. First of all, I will read all the sentences of column A. Then I will read all the words from column B, and then we will start matching. Okay. So first is on sunny day. That means जब गर्मी वाला दिन है, समर्स का दिन है, जब उसको जाना है तो क्या पहनना है. इन अ वेडिंग, जब उसको शादी में जाना है तो क्या पहनना है. आउट इन रेन, व्हेन शी वांट्स टू गो आउट इन रेन, जब बारिश हो रही है तो उसको क्या यूज़ करना है. गोइंग टू स्कूल, जब वो स्कूल जाएगी तो उसको क्या पहनना है. एंड लास्ट वन इज ऑन अ हिल स्टेशन, जब वो घूमने के लिए हिल स्टेशन जाएगी तब उसको क्या पहनना है. एंड द आंसर्स विच आर रिलेटेड टू दीज सेंटेंसेस आर रेन कोट, फ्रॉक, school uniform, woolen jacket and gown of a girl. Okay, so we have to match these sentences with these words correctly. So are you all ready? It's very easy. Very good. Let's get started. So the first sentence is on sunny day. Now on sunny day means it is a hot day. Sunny day means hot, outside it is very hot, as you all can see these days. It is very hot outside during the daytime. So on sunny day, what she will wear? Raincoat? No. School uniform? No. Woolen jacket? No. Gown of girl? No. She will wear frock, which is made of cotton cloth. Okay. So on sunny day, she will wear frock. So sunny day will be matched with frock, like this. Is that clear? Now children, make sure that I am not using a scale here, but you have to use a scale to match all these sentences. Okay. Now coming to the second part, that is in a wedding. Now when Riya wants to go in a wedding party, शादी में जब उसको जाना है, तो what she will wear? Will she wear raincoat? No. Will she wear school uniform? No. Woolen jacket? No. Gown of a girl? Yes. She will wear a party gown, which is for a girl. Okay. So in a wedding, sentence will be matched with gown of girl, like this. Is that clear? Now coming to the third part, that is out in rain. Now when Riya wants to go out in rain, जब उसको बारिश में बाहर जाना है, so what she will wear? Will she wear raincoat? Yes. She will not wear uniform. She will not wear woolen jacket. She will wear, when she will go out in rain, she will wear raincoat. So out in rain will be matched, okay, with raincoat, like this. Is that clear, children? Now coming to the fourth part, going to school. Now when Riya wants to go to school, or when Riya will be going to school, then what will she wear? School uniform or woolen jacket? Very good. When she will go to school, so she will wear school uniform. Is that clear? Now last is on a hill station. So when you all go to a hill station, it is very cold on hill station. The weather is very cold. Okay, so what you all wear in hill stations? You wear woolen jackets. So same way Riya will also use woolen jackets in when she will go on a hill station. So I hope this activity is clear to you all. Once again I am repeating, please make sure that you listen to it carefully. On sunny day, Riya will wear frock, because frock is made of cotton cloth and it will be comfortable for her. In a wedding party, if she wants to go, then she will wear a party gown of girl. Then if Riya wants to go out in rain, then she will wear a raincoat, okay, to protect herself, her clothes from rain. Then when Riya will be going to school, she will wear a school uniform. And in the last, when Riya will go on a hill station, she will wear woolen jacket. So that is all for today, children, today's video. I hope you all have understood both the videos very carefully, both the activities very carefully. And now I want you all to complete this work by today itself, and then tomorrow again we will be doing activity and revision part of this chapter. Is that clear? So till my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.